stumbled upon something. I think it's sedated, but it's pretty fucking big, okay? I don't think there are many of these around the world, but are you really prepared for this? It's the largest fucking boar I've ever seen. Let's take a closer look. I think it's sedated. Holy mother. Holy mother. Silence, motherfucker. Does it have a penis? Is it a boy or a girl? I don't know. He isn't doing much though, is he? Are you okay? I think he's past his prime. Look at him though. Look at his fucking tail. God, I hope the wind is gonna... But anyway, no, in all seriousness, we're in the Ardennes in France, and we're driving along the highway on our way to Paris, actually. And out of the blue, we see this huge fucking boar sticking out on a mound. And we're like, let's stop and go check it out. Anyway, that's it.